Today, guys, I'm going to teach you how to fix your PlayStation 3 if the eye has gone bad on it. Let me get my tools real quick and we'll get started.
Fucking piece of dog shit!
The only tool you'll need to fix it is one 16-ounce sledgehammer. Okay guys, for the next step, after you open your PlayStation up, you need to find your power supply. Now me, I've already taken my little cover off to get that out of the way. Now this, you don't want to work on that for a couple minutes, so... this won't thing you out of there. See? Not that hard. Okay guys, I figured since you're already this far, you might as well clean your entire PlayStation apart. Now these, just get them fuck off there. You don't even want those. These little fuckers, just get them fuck out of here. And this, you don't even need this. Like this, the only good thing you have is this little battery. This is the only good thing you have anymore. Keep this. I'm gonna make a necklace out of mine and then eat it. Get all this bullshit out of the way that's in the way of your eye. And now we'll show you how to put it back together. Okay, for the first step, we're going to work on our power supply. Make sure everything is firmly back together and secure. And now, we'll get back to you in a minute. Okay guys, we have our PlayStation back together, as you can see. So now, we're going to make sure everything is firmly and tightly put together. And then I'm going to go play some Gran Turismo 5.